welcome to Crown Rig Auto. In this video, we're gonna find out if we can use a flare gun as a self-defense weapon. So real quick, let me give you some facts. The flare gun is a single shot 12 gauge pistol. It is made out of hard plastic. It actually feels pretty good in my hands. It is meant to send out a distress signal either in the daytime or nighttime. This is extremely dangerous and it's not a toy. There has been many documented cases where flare guns have been used as weapons. If you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to show you this never before seen footage of an officer using a flare gun as a self-defense weapon. Come with me, let's go. First, let me show you what it looks like. If you pop this open like this, the 12 gauge aerial flare goes in here. So this one is spent, so I'm taking this one out. You just simply pop it in, like that, and it's already cocked back and it's ready to fire. So let's fire it into the air. This thing is extremely loud, so always wear ear protection. Now that actually smells pretty good. Well, look who decided to show up to work. Can you be any later?
There's traffic.
You brought the flare gun, Nasty?
I brought the flare gun.
All right, awesome. How do you feel about using a flare gun as a self-defense weapon?
It shoots.
Okay, we are gonna shoot this Crown Vic hood to see what kind of damage it's gonna do to it. Look at this. This is a shot from a 12 gauge buckshot. So these things are pretty freaking strong. Lieutenant Nick here has his makeshift shield since somebody stole the other shield. Either that or we can't freaking find it. Holy crap, look at the damage on this thing. Holy crap, look at that. That's insane. Imagine getting hit in the chest with that thing.
Shotgun didn't even go through it.
Yep, look, it's a shotgun blast.
Whoa.
Wow, sweet mother. So we already proven that it's very powerful, but is it powerful enough to stop the king loyalists? Let's find out.
There you go. Yeah.
He's on fire.
Oh shit. It's good, I think.
Step on him, step on him. Good thing he's filled with that fire spray stuff. Holy crap, he's fireproof. All right, guys, we're gonna try to figure out the accuracy. It's gonna try and shoot that loyalist in the lip, but how far do you think you are right now?
Probably about 15 feet.
15 feet? So yeah, go ahead and try to get him in the lips.
Woo! Oh, I took his face.
Oh, it went right through.
Took his eye off. Where's the rest?
So the accuracy, it's actually not too bad. Okay, now we're gonna shoot the seat.
Right where I wanted it, Dad. Oh, shit. Oh,
Holy crap. Fire extinguisher.
oh, shit, I think it's out.
Get the fire extinguisher. Oh my gosh. Where's the water?
Where's the water at, Rick?
Out of water.
Yeah, we're out of water. Put it right where I wanted it that time.
Oh my goodness, that thing stinks. All right, we're gonna shoot it inside of the water. Ready when you are.
That's dope.
That is so cool.
That is dope.
It stays lit.
Oh shit, it damn, look at the smoke coming up from, oh my god. That's crazy.
Those crazy noises it makes.
I know.
Go ahead. Oh, she's so pretty.
Oh,
It should be
yeah.
going out
Yep.
before it lands.
Yep, there it goes.
Nice. Beautiful.
Attention all units. There are 2 criminal loyalists attacking an old lady, attempting to steal her purse. Please respond.
Control, copy that. 2 loyalists on a lady. Code 3 on my way.
Everyone in there, please answer this call. 57 station at 1 Lincoln.
Criminal, drop the purse now. Criminal, drop the purse. Ma'am, step back, ma'am. Criminal. Control. Control, shots fired. Shots fired. Loyalist took a shot at me, but he missed. I'm gonna go hard pursue him. Code 3. Criminal, come out! Criminal, drop the weapon now!
That's what I told you. It was gonna go right through his ass. I told you it was gonna go right through.
Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, that's the deepest hole. Oh. That is one deep hole.
I told you it was gonna go right through. I told you.
Yeah. Come see this. So we came out here to the river so we could shoot the funny man, and Nick's found a boat and he wants to go take it out for a ride. I think it's a bad idea because there's not enough water. Funny man, for all your crimes, you will be punished to death. When I just tried to jump, my whole foot fell in the water.
This is not gonna end well. Oh my god.
Oh, my foot still got stuck in there. Oh well. Well, I made it.
Another little creek.
Yeah, I made it. Mostly.
Ready?
Make my day, funny man. You seriously missed?
No.
You missed. Last shot, so get it right.
It went right through it.
No, you missed again.
There's no way.
Yeah, you did.
I was literally like this. That is not possible.
He missed, so his punishment is
I'm not doing
he's got to hop. Be a savage about it.
These are the only shoes that I own. Literally right now.
See you later. You're gonna get stuck. So guys, in conclusion, a flare gun as a defense weapon is not a good idea. As you've seen, it can cause a fire. Imagine shooting this off in your bedroom with an intruder. Yeah, you'll scare the intruder, but then your whole house will be on fire. You shoot this off in your car, you've seen seats light up in flames. So as a defense weapon, flare gun, not a good idea. Don't do it, not worth it. Just use it what it was intended for, to shoot off a distress signal. All right guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.